And guys, in our last segment, this is called Period. Period. Ganito daw yun. Period. Slay. It's a slay.
Ikaw, KD, ano yung period mo?
Yung period ko. Well, yung biggest takeaway ko, I'll keep it simple. Journalism is crucial now more than ever. And aminin natin, yung journalism, nasasapawan siya ng mga influencers who spread fake news na walang credible sources. So for me, when you see something online, trace it back to the source.
Yeah.
Yan.
Amen.
Ikaw naman, Ralph.
Ralph.
I think the most important thing that I picked up from Miss Carmina's talk kanina was that everything can be studied. Nag-aaral pa rin araw-araw para madagdagan yung information niya, yung mga maaari niyang i-share sa mga taong bayan. And at the same time, she was able to adapt.
Speaking of hard work na nabanggit mo, huwag natin kakalimutan ang ating idol, si Architect Pingay. Para sa akin, sobrang na-inspire ako dun sa kwento niya na just because you failed once doesn't mean you fail forever.
Yeah.
Failure is redirection.
Siguro ako, ito yung matututunan natin throughout the show. Kasi kumari, kanina yung nabigay na topic sa amin, it's not really something that I chose, di ba? We were assigned dun sa why or why not, sa debate, guys. Yun yung sinasabi ko. So why or why not, when you try to debate a certain topic na hindi naman talaga nag-a-align sa beliefs mo, parang mas lalong lumalalim yung empathy mo for other people who have those beliefs na opposite from you. And dahil lumalim yung empathy mo, magkakaroon ng patience, ng understanding, and maybe a better world where we can communicate in a more peaceful way, di ba? Ikaw, River.
Ako yung period ko, I just hope the audience and me, I learned to appreciate journalists more. They are putting their lives at risk just to tell out the truth. And siguro to everyone out there, sana we can distinguish and differentiate social media influencers and journalists. And we have the freedom and we have the choice to choose what information we accept or put in our system. And I just hope na we choose the right and the correct ones. And with that, let us call on Father Tito Kaluwag.
Isang period nga, Father. Period. Stay, Father.
Okay, siguro una yung sa debate, ang galing ng konteksto, yung pagbibigay ng konteksto ng kabataan. Number one. Number two, mas naunawaan ko yung dinadaanan ng kabataan. Yung habang nakikinig ako, yung number one sa lahat, makinig and express. Dapat magsalita makinig at mag-express at matuto. Tapos yun naman sa ating idol, never lose hope. Di ba? Yun, yung ating favorite yan, di ba? Never lose hope. Tapos yung kay Miss Carmina naman, siyempre, nasabi nga nila, yung mag-aral, nakakabilib yung idol, pero nakita rin natin how raw and real Carmina was as a person. Di ba? Yung rawness and reality yung pagkatao niya. At yung pinakahuli kong may pang-apat na segment.
Ano yun?
Hindi namin alam yun.
Hindi kami nagkamali ng pagpili ng mga host, tama?
Wow.
Period!
Stop.
Agree?
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Salamat sa
Maraming
inyo.
salamat.
Thank you
Maraming
talaga.
salamat.
Period.